Hey everyone, in this video we shall look at the Geolocation API in JavaScript. It's like using your phone GPS to figure out where you are, but from a website. The Geolocation API is built into most modern browsers. It lets a website ask your permission to access your location. It's great for service like maps, weather updates, or food delivery. Think of it like opening your GPS. It shows where you are right now. Apps like Google Maps, Uber Eats, and weather apps use it to provide more relevant and personalized information based on where you are. In JavaScript, you use navigator.geolocation.getCurrentPosition to get the user location. Once the user allows it, the browser gives back the latitude and longitude, which you can then use to show a map, recommended nearby places, or track deliveries. Just make sure your site is using HTTPS.